We're in for a treat this morning. A few makeovers of summer classic dishes, and who better to do that than designer Steven Sabados. So happy to have you on the show for the very first time.
Very first time. Be back. Absolutely, okay. Yeah. Thank you very much for having me. I want to talk about some really fun food hacks, because every time in the summertime, food hacks always come out. And this one here was spawned from a StatsCan report that said cheddar was down 2%, but Havarti was up 20.
Okay.
Which is interesting. So I thought,
I wonder if it's because there's so many different flavors with Havarti?
Absolutely, yeah, and I want to talk about that because the beauty with Castello Havarti is that there's 7 flavor profiles, so that you can literally alter or change the profile of a dish just by adding that. So those are the hacks I want to get to today.
Okay,
so really simple. First one, let's start with the queso dip. Fantastic companies coming over. It literally takes probably about 8 minutes to make, right? But we're going to kick out cheddar, and we're going to bring in a
no offense to cheddar.
No offense, but by cheddar.
Yeah.
And we're going to bring in a jalapeno Havarti, which I've already put in.
Okay.
And we're going to add some more jalapeno Havarti on top, and then smell this here. It's this, or even taste it if you want. Yeah. It's smoked.
It's apple.
It's smoked.
Smoked apple?
No, it's smoked. Yeah. Smoked Havarti, but imagine if you had smoked Havarti with apples, for sure.
That would be so good.
And then you know what, we can throw in a few more of these. You could also put this under the broiler again if you want to do that. But a fantastic flavor profile. You got to try this. It is so good. Not now, it might be messy for you, but yeah.
I will do it after the show. Yeah. I will devour all of this after the show.
But really, really great. So the other thing I want to talk about is for busy families. We got a great hack here for the Monte Cristo. We're talking about a very
It's a very rich sandwich.
Very rich sandwich, absolutely. But what we did, the first hack, we took out the bread and we replaced it with a waffle. Elevated it a little bit, you know, give it a little difference. So here, what I put on is some mango chutney. Then I'm going to layer on some, you could put on any sort of Havarti you want. This one here is the garden herb. We have that, we have some tomato, we have, this is not even gonna fit on. We have turkey, we have
Try and eat that
ham, we have this, we have microgreens. This one's a bit kind of big, but let's do this.
But when you squish it, okay. And then you put it in these beautiful bags.
So what I did, I just went online and I found some really cute ways to just brown parchment.
Yeah.
Fold it up. You can make these cute little bags. You can have great little grab and go. If you've a busy family, someone's off to swim class, someone's off to something else, get the little thermoses and away they go. Picnics.
Okay, and you need a bag like that for a Monte Cristo because it's messy.
Yeah, and when you're holding it like this, absolutely, yeah. So it's a quick little like a grab and go, which is fantastic. And again, beautifully elevated and 2 hacks in one.
Okay, here. Easy hack with grilled cheese.
This one here, oh no, this one here is the French toast.
Oh, French toast, sorry.
Yeah, so again, you know, for companies coming over, I've made all the French toast ahead of time. So you can make classic French toast as you will. Okay. Put it in the fridge. Company comes for brunch, right? What we're going to do is we're going to reheat it.
So you've already got the bread slices and stuff in the fridge, they're done.
In the fridge, already cooked, everything's already pre-cooked. Then I put on beautiful creamy Havarti, because Havarti is going to give you that richness, that creaminess, and that beautiful cheese pull. So this is under the broiler. I poached some pears, so we have poached pears here, and then layer in some fresh strawberries. And so then you're getting sort of the creaminess. We're going to do that. Okay, put that on. Before we serve it, I'm all about presentation.
Yes.
Right? So here I just have a slate plate, and then I have here just a regular stencil, as you would, like, you know, for any home decor project or whatever. We're gonna get some icing sugar, put this on top, and we're gonna immediately bring it from a 5 to a 20.
Oh, look at that.
And look at this guy, we're gonna put you on the plate.
And then what kind of bread do you like to use for your
a really good
French toast?
Really good Italian bread.
Okay,
right?
something heavy.
So nice and heavy and crunchy, yeah. So there we go, we've got that. We have our little mimosa. And then once we drizzle our maple syrup, oh, come on. Oh, see? So simple, easy hack. You're gonna get the creaminess, the sweetness, you know, even the cinnamon from the poached pear. Beautiful.
Okay, we have about 45 seconds left, but you've elevated mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese. This is a smoked Havarti, which is beautiful. Again, for the kids, just elevates that.
And the adults.
And adults. And for kids, this hack here, again, for the grilled cheese, we took out the normally you'd use like a cheddar for kids. Kids love pickles. So this is a dill Havarti. So they're just giving them a little flavor profile. Even introduce them to new flavors, if you will.
Okay.
You know? And again, a fantastic hack for the kids.
With pickles on the
Who
side.
doesn't like pickles?
Oh, I love pickles. And this is, okay, no kids are going to eat this here, so I'm going to
We're
eat
gonna eat
them.
this, okay.
We're going to eat them. Okay. Where can you find your recipes?
These you can go to my Instagram at Steven Sabados.
Okay.
And they're all there. And let me know how you like them, because I'd love to hear.
We will love them.
Yeah.
We'll let you know right during the commercial break.
Please.
Okay. We'll get the links up on our website, chch.com/morninglive.
That's a sandwich.
That is